Come on.
Why would you do that?
I'm back.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
What's fun until it gets weird? Your parents.
Me.
What's fun until it gets weird? Taking off your shirt. Or
Mine
double
works more.
penetration.
Mine works better.
Mine works well.
We'll
Yes.
pick that one.
No, it does not.
Yeah.
that just turns
Because
into
as
like
soon
a
as
weird
they
porn.
like get there, and then you're just like, what? My gym teacher got fired for adding blank to the obstacle course.
Oh god.
That card that I played would have been good.
That is bad.
Getting drunk on mouthwash.
Adding a homosexual original character to the obstacle course. Getting
That's
drunk
stupid.
on mouthwash in the obstacle
Which one's
course.
stupid?
Mine's
also stupid, but not. Come on.
I think I only
Yes.
choose Austin's. I don't know why.
Because I'm a funny person. I'm so good at
Still
this.
got one. Next from J.K. Rowling, Harry Potter and the Chamber of Blank. Geeks. Harry Potter and the Chamber of Blood Pigeons. Harry Potter and the Chamber of What's Evangelion?
Look it up.
Google it.
Here.
Oh god. This is funny. What I have like 2 cards that are just lying.
Oh, it's
Those are
it's a book. It's in the Bible.
You
so-
click it and then click confirm selection and you can type it.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. And then like you gonna type whatever.
Yeah, I haven't gotten one of them yet.
Wait, who won?
Daddy, why
I-
is mommy crying? Oh, never mind, that's not me.
Oh wait, Daddy, why is Mommy crying?
Mine wins. Mine wins. Mine wins. You better pick mine.
Drinking 10-5
Stranger
gets
danger.
50 continuous hours of energy.
Stranger danger.
That was hilarious.
It's pretty good,
Yeah.
if I do say so myself.
It's hilarious.
Air Canada guidelines now prohibit blank on airplanes.
Mm.
Mine wins. I say that about everything, and I always end up losing. Oh, these both are really good.
Wait, where'd my card? What did Dalton write? Cause I didn't get to see it.
1,000 Slim Jims.
Today on BuzzFeed, 10 pictures of blank that look like blank.
Okay, hold on.
I hope mine wins, but I don't think it will.
I'm
No,
typing
because I
some
just
stuff.
chose 2 cards and was like, BAM!
Hold on.
I only
I'm
see
typing.
one card being played.
I'm
Yeah,
typing
that's
my other one.
That's 2 cards.
Oh, I thought they put... Yeah, whatever.
Because you don't see a second one up there.
Frick.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Today on BuzzFeed, 10 pictures of the violation of our most basic human rights that look like throwing stones at a man until he dies. That's pretty much the same thing. 10 pictures of Justin Bieber that look like 3.7 billion years of evolution.
I didn't have any good.
Well,
That's not
that's pretty
evolution.
bad.
Yeah.
That's not evolution. That's devolution.
It is, exactly.
Darn it. I should have said that.
You should have put it backwards.
I actually okay. Blank may pass, but blank will last forever.
Boom. Hopefully. Just hopefully. Oh, I think Hunter wins.
Wait.
Hunter wins.
Okay, hold on. Okay. Um. I
Why
don't know what to
don't?
pick.
If only
Um.
it was a tasty man and then Tumblr.
uh.
And then former President George W. Bush and Eastern European turbo folk music.
I'm just gonna pick that one.
Yay!
I knew you were gonna win.
Yes.
I really like our timer duration.
Brought the orgy to a grinding halt.
Me.
John Cena. A mouthful
God.
of potato salad or ring pop.
Just imagine that. That's really bad.
That is really bad.
It's like, hey guys, I
Um,
got potato salad. I'm clatching up, finally. Clatching up. Yeah.
Clatching. Yep.